back to my channel. It's Rochelle from Plan with CSD on Instagram, and for today I have a plan with me for the month of December 2018, and I'm showing you now the calendar, the deskpad calendar that I use on my desk for my pre-planning. So I have that laid down, and for the month of December I am using this gorgeous weekly kit from TheGlamplanner. It's in our mystery kit subscription, so I'll show you that in a sec. For the pen, I'm using the Pentel Anagel Black Ink in 0.7, and so the mystery kit, the monthly kit, comes with 4 pages, a half a page with all the date dots or date flags and 4 half boxes. Then it comes with the top bar, some labels and some from the washi strips, vacation strips, the top bar and some icons, and also your sidebar stickers, paydays and bill due stickers. So I'm starting off by putting down my top bar stickers for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then now off to Thursday and Friday. In this monthly spread we had the 2 days of November, so the 29th and the 30th. So we covered that up with a washi strip she had in the kit. I am putting down an important header, and underneath that I'm putting down a checklist. I'm also putting down a to-do list, and I made a long to-do list as I started doing this since November. And then I thought it was there was a big blank space and it was very white, very silvery, so I took the kit from Whimsical Plans that I have for my horizontal planner, and I got some deco to put it in my monthly spread. And then in the important section of my sidebar I put down the spreads or the shops that I'm using for the spreads in my vertical planner for all the 5 weeks in December. And so now I'm starting to put down all my date flags, which gives me time to ask you guys something, because for this week, if you have noticed, I haven't put up a plan with me, and I'm very sorry about that to begin with. It was a very busy week, so I have been planning, but I haven't filmed it. And I have been thinking about filming 2 spreads in a week, because I have a vertical planner, which is the planner that I'm doing my monthly spread in now, and I have my horizontal planner, which I usually use for my plan with me's. But I'm thinking of doing a pre-plan with me or a plan with me as usual, and in my horizontal planner, and a memory plan with me spread for in my vertical planner. So what do you guys think about that? Leave it down below in the comments, and yeah, I really want to know what you think about it, because I think it would be very fun to do, but I don't know if you guys would appreciate it. So let me know. So I started on the 1st of December, and I put down that I had to work at a L'Oreal event from 12 till 4 p.m. And we are also going to celebrate Sinterklaas, which is a holiday that we have in the Netherlands, and I put down that I'm going to celebrate it at my boyfriend's house. Then on the 2nd, on this Sunday in the weekend, I am going to go on a photo with alpacas, because my aunt won a photography session with alpacas, so she invited me and my mom to come and also come on the photo. And we are also going to go to a Christmas winter fair after the photos. On the 4th, I put down that I needed to pick up the suit for the Sinterklaas holiday event that is going to take place on the 5th on my work, so at school, because I work on school as a teacher and a event manager. And then I went back to the 3rd of December, to Monday, because I forgot that I wanted to upload my pre-plan plan with me in my hourly planner, because for next week I have already put down all my stickers in my vertical planner. Then on the 5th I put down that we have the Sinterklaas event and the celebration on school and the after party after that with colleagues. Then I put down these label stickers on the 10th and the 11th to mark down that a student of mine is going to come in my class and watch me teach, just to observe how I do it. And then also on the 10th I want to upload my pre-plan plan with me in my horizontal planner. I wrote down vertical, but I'm going to correct that in a sec. And on the 12th I put down that I am going to teach the 3rd grade from 8 AM to 2 PM, because my colleague is going to a event, so she can't teach. And then on the 9th I put down that I wanted to upload my first memory plan with me in my vertical planner. So I forgot to correct that. We'll do that in a sec. On the 13th I put down that I needed to teach the 5th and my own class, my 6th grade class, how to sew ornaments for Christmas, because I want to teach them how to sew them so we can put them in our own tree for the class room. And then on the 15th we are celebrating that my aunt and my uncle are married for 30 years, so I wrote that down. Then on the 16th I wrote down that I wanted to upload my memory plan with me again in my vertical planner. And my aunt, it's my aunt's birthday as well on the 16th. On the 17th I wrote down that I want to upload my pre-planning plan with me in my horizontal planner. And on the 19th again we have this creative art lesson hour where I teach my students how to sew those ornaments again. And Martijn, my sister's boyfriend, his birthday is on the 19th, so I marked that down as well with an icon. And I put down a half box and some deco stickers on the 20th, because we have this Christmas celebration at work, and the icons are from Whimsical Cat Studios. I put down that it was payday. On the 21st I marked down on a label and a heart icon that it is winter for the first day. And on the 22nd I marked that we had Martijn's birthday party. On the 23rd I marked that I wanted to upload my memory spread again. And Anna, the girlfriend of my other sister, it's her birthday as well. It's her birthday on the 23rd, so I marked that down. And on the 24th we have a Christmas dinner with my family, so I marked that down with uploading my pre-planning plan with me. I marked down on the 26th that we are going to celebrate Christmas at my boyfriend's place. And then on the 30th and the 31st I marked down that I wanted to upload those memory plan with me spreads and my pre-planning plan with me. So that was all of it, except for I forgot to mark down that I had this winter break, so I put down those small washi strips to mark that down. That was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it. If you liked it, please thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until next week, bye!